not a game, it's a rich thing.
Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a solid color adjustments layer. Select your preferred color and click OK. Add your text. The font name that I am using is Agency Bold. Then insert your image. Decrease the opacity of the image so you can see the text. Press Ctrl+T for free transform, and here you can adjust the image size and position accordingly. Reset opacity back to 100%. Right-click on image and choose Clipping Mask. Duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+J. Now go to Select menu and choose Subject. Click on Mask icon down here. Duplicate the text layer and take this one on top of all other layers. Decrease the fill to 0%. Now open blending option. Choose stroke here and apply the following settings. Choose drop shadow and copy the following settings. And finally add your other texts.